The parable of the two debtors, a story of God's mercy. A grand house in ancient Israel where Simon the Pharisee hosts a banquet. Jesus enters and reclines at the table with other guests. A woman, known as a sinner, approaches carrying an alabaster jar. She kneels at Jesus' feet weeping as her tears fall onto his feet. She wipes his feet with her hair, showing humility and devotion. She anoints his feet with costly perfume, filling the room with fragrance. Simon watches in judgment, thinking, if Jesus were a prophet, he would know who she is. Jesus speaks, "Simon, I have something to say to you." Jesus tells the parable. 2 men owed a lender money. One owed 500 denarii, the other 50. The lender forgave them both. Who will love him more? Simon answers, the one who was forgiven more. Jesus turns to the woman and says, "Your sins are forgiven." The guests whisper, amazed at Jesus' authority. Jesus tells the woman, "Your faith has saved you. Go in peace." The woman leaves, her heart filled with joy and redemption. The final message, those who have been forgiven much, love much. Luke 7:47. Lessons from this story. Forgiveness is available to all, no matter our past. Gratitude grows when we understand God's grace. Judging others blinds us to our own need for forgiveness. Faith, not status, saves us. Jesus welcomes all who come to him. True love for God comes from realizing his mercy. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring Bible stories. Turn on notifications for more faith-filled content.